I absolutely love my MacBook, but it is a bit of a shock coming from a PC that by default we can't seem to right click on the mouse pad. That's not what you call it, is it? It's a touchpad. It doesn't right click when you click down here. There is a really easy fix for this. I feel like I'm going to use this like a bat. My name's Neil, by the way. Hello. Here's how to right click on a Mac or MacBook Pro or MacBook Air M1 M2 M69 whatever. When we've fixed this, we can click on the right hand side of the trackpad and it instantly brings up the right click menu, which is really handy on websites or documents or any other programs and apps. There's a link to the latest Apple help article down in the description, but this is really easy and we can do this right now in under 10 seconds. On our MacBook on our MacBook Pro desktop or MacBook Air, click on the Apple icon on the top left hand side here and then we'll choose System Settings. Then on the left hand side of this pop-up window we have some tabs, so we'll scroll down to trackpad. Click on the trackpad and Apple call the right click a secondary click or control click. I don't know why, because this is the same as a right click on a Windows PC computer. Just click on this pull down menu next to where it says secondary click and we've got these options: click or tap with 2 fingers, bottom left. We want click in bottom right corner. Let's close the window and try it right now and right click on the trackpad now. We can see it brings up this right click menu. And if this right click works for you, say hi down in the comments below. It'd be lovely to hear from you, and thank you for hitting the thumbs up or the subscribe button. It really helps me out and it helps others to find this video, so thank you. And right here is what YouTube knows that you are going to love watching next.